Yes. Okay. Take your textbook. पहला चैप्टर एक एक कविता एक एक कविता का नाम क्या है? एक 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 किसने लिखा? शौखनलाल द्विवेदी जी नामक एक
Ma'am, which book?
लिखा.
Ma'am, which book?
Textbook. You take your textbook and take your pencil. Okay.
Page number?
Part 1. पहला page number note here. 3.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Part 1. Ek. No need write. I am writing here. Ek. Okay. All of you take your pencil. I will give each word meaning. I will give. You write that meaning in your textbook top. Where is the शब्द इसके ऊपर और रफ बुक में लिखो. Okay. As you like, you do. Ek. Touch your finger there. Pencil also keep it with you. Ek.
And your sock.
Ek meaning one. एक अर्थ क्या है? one. यदि. What is the meaning? यदि. If. Write the meaning there. यदि. Yeah. Yadi meaning.
Ma'am, in which book?
In the textbook or rough book. In the textbook, if you can write now, when you are reading, you will get a meaning. Otherwise, we'll check rough book also. Yadi, bird. What is the meaning? Bird. Bird meaning? Tree. Bird. Lekhao. Bird lekhao. What is the meaning? Bird lekhao. Bird lekhao meaning plant trees. Plant trees. Bird lekhao meaning plant trees. एक यदि bird lekhao. यदि अर्थ क्या है? If. Bird lekhao. Plant trees. If you plant trees, then when next line? तो अर्थ क्या है? तो then. तो अर्थ क्या है? Then. तो right meaning there. I will ask each word meaning. तो meaning then. तुम अर्थ क्या है? You. तुम you. बाघ अर्थ क्या है? बाघ. बाघ. Bagh. Who is making sound there? Please mute your audio. Tejasri, Ajit and Ajwa. Yes. तो तुम बाग अर्थ क्या है? गार्डन. लेखा दोगे. बाग लेखा दोगे. What is the meaning? Will plant a garden. Then you will plant a garden. बाग लेखा दोगे. What is the meaning? बाग लेखा दोगे. तो तुम बाग लगा दोगे. Then you will plant a garden. Clear? बाग लगा दोगे. I will write that meaning together. तुम बाग लगा दोगे. तुम बाग लगा दोगे. What is the meaning? Will plant a garden. Will plant a garden. will plant a garden. This, what is that meaning? एक एक यदि पेड़ लगाओ तो तुम बाग लगा दोगे. एक एक यदि पेड़ लगाओ. If you plant trees, then you will plant or you will make a garden. If you plant one tree, no, can you make a garden? Yes or no? If you plant only
No.
one tree, can you make a garden? No.
No. No.
एक एक यदि पेड़ लगाओ, एक एक one you add one trees. If you add one trees, if you plant one trees every day or every month, every year, you can make a garden. Clear now? Yes or no? Yes. Touch your finger there. Touch your finger there. And mute your audio and read with me. I am watching your lips. I can understand. So touch your finger there. Read with me. Ek ek.
एक
Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Ek ek. यदि पेड़ लगाओ तो तुम बाग लगा दोगे. Once more. एक एक यदि पेड़ लगाओ तो तुम बाग लगा दोगे. Clear? Once more I will say एक एक meaning one. यदि meaning if. पेड़ लगाओ, plant trees. तो meaning then. तुम, you, बाग, garden. लगा दोगे, will plant. Clear now? Or will make or will give, like that meaning if. It's clear now? If you plant trees, you can make a garden. Clear now? Each word meaning I gave. You should study by heart this one. Clear now? Next one. इसके बाद once more I will say the meaning. So एक meaning one. यदि meaning if. if. पेड़ लगाओ, plant trees. पेड़ लगाओ meaning plant trees. Next line. तो meaning then. 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 तुम, you. you. बाग, garden. 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 लगा दोगे meaning will plant. You can make a garden by planting each plant or each trees. Clear now? Yes or no? Okay? Yes. Okay. Next line. एक यदि. If you, yadi, what is the meaning yadi? Dev John.
Ma'am.
Dev John, what is the meaning yadi?
If.
If, very good. एक यदि eat jodo. What is the meaning eat? Eat jodo. One second.
I cannot see the board.
Why?
I cannot see the board.
You can see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is saying?
I can see the board.
That is your problem. Oh my God.
I can see the board.
Yes. Int meaning brick. Int meaning brick. यदि जोड़ो, जोड़ना. जोड़ो meaning add. Jodo. What is the meaning brick? Did you know? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Huh? Brick. What is the meaning? Did you see the brick?
Yes, bridge.
Not bridge. Brick. Brick. B-R-I-C-K. Brick.
Ma'am.
Brick. Huh?
Ma'am, eat. Ma'am, stone.
Yo, where is my eat? Didn't see it.
I'm eating. Eating.
No, I will explain. Wait there.
Brick.
B-R-I-C-K. Brick. Okay. Jodo. Jodo. Meaning add. You will understand. Next meaning I will say. Jodo meaning add. Jodo meaning add. To meaning then. Tum, you. Mahal meaning palace. Mahal meaning palace. Udadoge meaning pick up the palace or build up. Okay. Udadoge meaning pick up here. Pick up not here meaning here can make also right. Then what is the meaning? You can make a palace. You can make a palace by adding bricks. Did you understand what is the meaning brick? How you will make a house?
With bricks.
Add
Ma'am, bright bricks.
clear now.
Brick.
Bricks.
Yes.
You can see that square shape things. Eh?
Ma'am, the red color sand.
Hollow bricks. Some other big. Eh?
I know bricks mean in Malayalam.
Yes. Okay. All understood.
No, sir.
Eh? You can make a palace by adding each brick. If you are keeping one brick there, you can make a palace.
Yes. No.
Yes. Who told yes? Rahul Krishna. Will you make house? Wait. Yes. I have, okay, Rahul. Okay, sorry. Okay, I have only brick. How I will make a palace? No. Add each brick. एक in जोड़ो. एक in जोड़ो. If you, यदि एक यदि in जोड़ो. Can make, तो तुम महल उड़ा दोगे. Can make a palace. Clear now? तो तुम महल उड़ा दोगे. महल meaning palace. Clear now? पहले पंक्ति में क्या कहा? एक यदि पेड़ लगाओ तो तुम बाग लगा दोगे. इसके बाद क्या कहा? एक यदि ईंट जोड़ो तो तुम महल उड़ा दोगे. Clear now? Okay. तो तुम महल उड़ा दोगे. Yes or no? Yes. Touch. Please mute your audio. Touch your finger there. Okay. मेरे साथ पढ़ो. Okay. Read with me. एक यदि touch your finger there. एक यदि पहला line, first line. एक यदि. Some students didn't open their mouth. यदि पेड़ लगाओ तो तुम बाग लगा दोगे. एक यदि ईंट जोड़ो. ईंट जोड़ो तो तुम महल उड़ा दोगे, महल उड़ा दोगे। Once more I will read. एक एक यदि bird लगाओ तो तुम बाग लगा दोगे। एक एक यदि ईंट जोड़ो तो तुम महल उड़ा दोगे, तो तुम महल उड़ा दोगे, तो तुम महल उड़ा दोगे। तो अर्थ क्या है? यदि अर्थ क्या है? कैसिना? One by one I will ask. Only that students unmute and say the answer.
Ma'am, yedi if.
Very good. Dan Antonio, पेड़ लगाओ।
Yes, ma'am.
पेड़ लगाओ।
Bird लगाओ meaning? One second, ma'am.
पेड़ लगाओ. I wrote on the board. I explained.
Planting trees.
Plant trees. Yes. Okay. तो बेनेडिक्ट पॉल तो अर्थ क्या है? तो
Ma'am.
बेनेडिक्ट then yes.
Thank you.
Next one. तुम बाग लगा दोगे, बाग लगा दोगे। जोवेल सूरज, बाग लगा दोगे।
बाग लगा दोगे।
बाग
गार्डन
बाग लगा दोगे।
बाग लगा दोगे will plant a garden.
Very good. Yes, very good. We'll make a garden, we'll plant a garden. Next one, second line. एक एक यदि ईंट, ईंट अर्थ क्या है आयशा? ईंट अर्थ क्या है? ईंट, ईंट अर्थ क्या है? Unmute. No. Azra. Unmute. Azra. ईंट. Brick. Very good. जोड़ो, जोड़ो अर्थ क्या है? मेहा, जोड़ो, जोड़ो,
जोड़ो।
जोड़ो अर्थ क्या है? करेक्ट मोले, जोड़ो, जोड़ो। नेहा मेरी, add. Neha, why didn't write a meaning there? You didn't write a meaning there? Yes or no?
I wrote. Yes.
Neha Mahesh, I am asking to you, why you didn't write a meaning? Each meaning you should write there, okay? Next one, eat jodo. Eat meaning brick, jodo meaning add. Next one, to tum mahal. Stay in jo bhi mahal. Stay in jo bhi mahal अर्थ क्या है?
Palace.
Palace, very good. Stay in jo bhi, you are in third C.
Ma'am, he is in 4C. Ma'am, his video stuck. Network issue, network. Stuck. Who's the host? Ma'am, your video stuck. Network. Zain is the host. Zain Stop recording. Stop recording. Stop recording. Stop recording.